The input screen, just like the dataset screen, is used frequently by press operators and setup personnel. To open the input screen, double-tap on the lower right quadrant. The input screen is split into two sections. The section on the right is known as the Basic Settings. These are global settings. The section on the left is referred to as the Operating Profile page. In Basic Settings, you can apply basic parameters for your dataset. Inside the Operating Profile, you will define how the press operates for the specific dataset. You will notice two buttons, Press Parameter and Program. The first button generally used is the Program button. Double-tap the button to open. In the Program page, there are 4 areas of programming. They are Return Stroke Criteria, External Return Stroke, Signal, and Timeout. Return stroke criteria pertains to what setting you will use as your end stroke criteria. In the window, you are provided with different options. Tap the window to open. Manual is the setting where the operator controls every movement of the handle. Stroke allows the user to press to a defined position. Force makes the user press to a defined force or load. External return stroke gives the option to install an external device to return the RAM to its starting position. Signal is where you can add an additional signal. Timeout allows you to fault out the system if the control is not recognizing various signals throughout the pressing cycle. Under the Press Parameters button, you will find additional programming options. These options are Start-Stop, PDA, End Position Dwell Time, and Press Force End Position. Start-Stop PDA defines the area in the press cycle where you are obtaining or collecting data. Typical data collection occurs in the duration the RAM is in contact with the part being pressed. The press has a minimum setting of 5 mm for PDA. End position is directly tied to the stroke option under Return Stroke Criteria in the Program button. If you were to be in manual mode and the end position is set incorrectly, you would be limiting the pressing stroke length. End position is determined after the press is set up, tooling is installed, and measurements have been taken. To enter the number, double-tap on the data box. Enter your number and then press OK. Do not press Accept. End position dwell time allows you to set a period of time before the RAM returns to its starting point after the desired stroke has been achieved. Press force end position is directly related to the force option under Return Stroke Criteria in the Program button. This is where you enter your desired force. Double-tap the data box and enter your number. Again, press OK and not Accept. Additional input screen details are covered in the PRC 700 Input Screen Options video.